Welcome to this 10-minute Pranayama tutorial. Today we're going to cover Brahmi, Kapalabhati, finishing with Nadi Shodhana. Find a comfortable place to sit down and let's begin. First, we bring our hands into Shanmukhi Mudra. This helps to block external sensory distractions and bring your focus inward, placing your index fingers gently on top of your eyebrows. Your middle fingers gently pressed on the corners of your closed eyes. Applying very gentle pressure, place your ring fingers just beside your nostrils. Finally, your little fingers resting on your lips with your thumbs gently closing the cartilage of your ears. Now that our hands are in position, let's get into the breathing technique. We want to create a humming sound, so I'm going to demonstrate that for you now. Breathing in through the nose only, fill your lungs, and as you exhale, create a low-pitched humming sound, just like the buzzing of a bee. And repeat. Inhale deeply, fill your lungs, and then begin your hum again. Keep going, continue with this, and I will call you back when it's time to finish. All of the incredible benefits of this and the other breathing techniques will be posted in the description below. Whenever you're ready, you can release, and let's prepare for our next breathing technique. Spine straight, shoulders relaxed. Inhale deeply through your nose to start. Then begin to forcefully exhale through the nose by contracting your abdominal muscles. Short, powerful contractions through the abdominal wall will push out your breath bit by bit. Aim for about 10 short bursts of exhale, and then one long, relaxed inhale, and then repeat. I'm going to demonstrate the next one with you. Long, slow inhale through the nose, and then contracting to exhale. Keep this going, try not to overcomplicate this, and I will call you back when it is time to finish. Great work. Now let's finish this up and move into our final breathing practice. Nadi Shodhana, taking your right hand, using the thumb to close your right nostril, then folding your index and middle finger down. Inhale deeply through your left nostril, filling your lungs. With your lungs full, close your left nostril with your ring finger and release the right nostril. Exhale slowly through the right nostril, emptying your lungs, and then inhale slowly through the same right nostril, filling your lungs. Now close your right nostril, releasing the left, and do the same thing. Exhale slowly, and then inhale slowly. Every single in and exhale can be on a count of 4 seconds. So just to quickly break it down, we are swapping nostrils. We are exhaling and inhaling on each side before swapping to the other side. Close your eyes and just try to get into the rhythm of it. This will take practice. So one final time, and then I'm going to leave you to it and call you back in when it's time to finish. Inhale slowly through one nostril, pause, and then exhale slowly through that same nostril. Swap nostrils and do exactly the same thing. Fill and empty your lungs through each nostril, swapping from left to right. Well done, great job guys. Whenever you're ready, you can finish up bringing your hands together. Let's close off our practice. Thank you so much for joining me today. It is truly such an honor that you choose to practice with me. If you enjoyed this class or any of my others, don't forget to subscribe. I release weekly yoga, mindfulness, and meditation classes. Press that bell icon so that you're notified for upcoming classes, so that I have the pleasure of meeting you on the mat for next time. Wishing you a beautiful day. Namaste.